Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of gold futures. So here you can see that how the gold futures have tested a high at the levels of $2120 in August 2020. So friends, here you can see that how the gold futures found stiff resistance below the levels of $2079 and continue to move downward up to the levels of $1796. So friends, here you can see that once again the gold futures started to move upward from the levels of $1784 during the month of November 2020 and once again found stiff resistance at the levels of $1971, which seems to be a stiff resistance for gold futures. Since then, the gold futures remained under heavy selling pressure and continued to move downward and tested a low at the levels of $1676. So friends, here I find that the levels of $1676 seems to be a strong support for gold futures, but the gold futures have once again tested this level during the last week when we have seen a sharp reversal from here back up to the levels of $1763. But during the last week, the gold futures traded in a very narrow range between the levels of $1776 to $1794. So friends, here you can see that how the gold futures have been still below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud in a weekly time frame, which ensures the continuity of sell-off in gold futures. And second important thing for the bears is to remain active. Here in the weekly time frame, you can see that how the formation of a bearish crossover here in a weekly time frame looks evident enough for an exhaustion in gold to continue. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week, the gold futures could start the upcoming week with a gap down opening below the levels of the 1776. And here I find that if the gold futures are not able to hold the levels of the 1754, once again gold futures could test the support at $1676. But here I find that here this time this sell-off can be more strong due to the formation of this bearish crossover in a weekly time frame. So friends, here I find that this time the gold futures could find a breakdown below the levels of $1676, which could push the gold futures to test new lows during the upcoming weeks, where the gold futures could test the levels of $1517 up to October 2021. We could see this extremely exhaustive move to continue in gold futures during the upcoming months. So friends, here I would like to show you this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the gold futures continue to find stiff resistance at the levels of $1838, which seems to be a stiff resistance level in a daily time frame for gold. And after testing this level on July 29th, the gold futures found a steep downward move and finally tested a low at the levels of $1676 on August 9th, 2021. But here you can see that how the gold futures found strong buying support here, because this level seems to be a strong support for gold futures, because the gold futures have already tested this support 2 times during the month of March. And once again here you can see that how still the gold futures could retest these levels due to the current position of gold futures in a daily time frame. Here you can see that how the gold futures are still much below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud in a daily time frame, which could keep the gold futures under heavy selling pressure. And here I find that every rally in gold futures above the levels of the 1819 will be sold here. So here I find that if the gold futures are not able to hold the immediate support at the levels of the 1757 during the upcoming week, we could find the gold futures to move more downward once again towards the levels of the 1676. And here I find that a breakdown below this level could push the gold futures towards the levels of the 1636. So friends, be ready to see an action in good future. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.